Hi, Felipe here with another Cajon Master video. Today I'm going to review a Carton Cajon. Is that real? Can we play and have a good sound on a cajon made of carton? Let's find out now. Before we start this review, just a quick reminder. To have access to all the content here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. In my trip to the NAMM show in Los Angeles this year, I met the team of Carolina Distribution, and they showed me all the line of cajons, and among all the cajons, they showed me the Carton Cajon. This one I'm taking here. See? The Carton Cajon. So the first question was, can a cardboard sound like a cajon? The Carton Cajon I'm going to test and review today is from the German company Sela. Let's check what they say about this cajon in the website. The Sela Carton Cajon is an affordable and great sounding alternative to a wooden cajon. This is achieved by a sound-optimized cardboard with a continuous sound space and an ingenious construction with a real snare wire. With its powerful bass and the distinctive snare sound, it can compete with many beginners' wood cajon right away. My pronunciation is not good. Ideal for group lessons, events, or workshops, and is therefore a favorable entry-level cajon for beginners, ideal for schools and kindergartens. This model costs around $30 on Amazon. After all the specs and the description about this cajon, let's see how it sounds. To test the sound of this cajon, I'm using a Zoom condenser mic. The general volume of this cajon is not as loud as a wooden cajon. It was expected considering the material of this cajon, the carton, the cardboard. The bass is good, have a good tone. You can have a good bass tone, not too loud, but a good bass tone. The snare or slap tone sound of this cajon is not as bright as a wooden cajon normally. But you still can have the difference between the bass and the snare, which is still good to play the pop and rock songs. This is okay. Back to the construction, it seems to be very strong, as they say in the website that the robust material allows a weight of up to 120 kilos. To give you another idea of sound, I took it outside the NAMM show in Los Angeles, and I took it with me to Venice Beach. On the beach with the same microphone we are using now in the studio, just for you to check it out, how it sounds outside. Considering the price of this cajon, I think it's still a very good value for money. I made this review to show you an affordable option. I think it can be a very good alternative for you that are just starting on the cajon. Also for those that want a second cajon to play outside, to go and jam with friends, to go to the beach, to go to the park, I think is a very good option as well. If you like this cajon and you want to buy it, please use the link in the description below. If you do that, I will get a small commission that helps me to keep creating these videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comment with your opinions about the Carton Cajon and also suggestions about topics you want to see here on this channel. If you want to learn cajon from the very beginning, you can sign up to the Cajon Foundation course, available at cajonmaster.com. If you like this video, click thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.